Who doesn't love a good before and after? We're standing outside our latest flip in Red Rock Country Club, listed for $1.6 million.
We can't wait to show you this one. Let's go inside. If you're just tuning back into the channel, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, we're the Boeckle Brothers. I'm Landon.
And I'm Jesse.
And we flipped over 340 properties right here in the Las Vegas market. And today we're gonna walk you through the final product of our newest $1.7 million listing. But before Jesse walks you through some of the biggest modifications we made to this house, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss another one.
One of the most major things we did in this renovation is open up the space completely. Now, what we were able to do because of the structure of the house is take down this entire wall that divided the kitchen from the rest of the living space. By removing that, we opened up this kitchen. It now has a nice view of the dining, living, and family room areas. Now, walking through this kitchen, of course, we made this gigantic island the centerpiece of the kitchen. We always try to do that with our nice waterfall edge. We did use a contrasting countertop as well. So we have this printed quartz right here that gives you the marble look, and we have the dark gray dove quartz back here that gives you a nice contrast. One different thing that we did in this kitchen as well is usually we build a box to house our oven vent hood. Instead of doing this, we still use the same appliance and recessed it inside, but instead of building a shiplap box, we actually ordered this custom piece that comes really nice in a natural wood color and gives it more of a traditional vibe in the kitchen. So we're always changing up our designs and looking for new ideas. One thing that you cannot skimp on, especially in listings over $1 million, is a really nice backsplash. On this kitchen, we actually used this rough stone that gives a different look from any tile that we've used before, and we even carried it under the island for a really nice accent too. Now check out the dining living room areas over with Landon.
So opening the kitchen up and making it a much larger, more inviting space was huge, but we also opened up the dining and formal entry area as well. So we took down a wall in the kitchen, opening that space up, but we also took down another major wall of the house, which was right here where I'm standing, separating these two entry rooms. Now it made it a little bit of a weird space and very closed off. So by taking that down, it opened this room up quite a bit and allowed us to create two dedicated spaces. First is our dining area here, where you can see we actually added a special tray ceiling as well. Beautiful dining room looking out to the backyard and golf course. That's why we put that space there. Now, when you walk through the front door, we have this custom entry space here, entry formal living area, where we did a custom backsplash trim wall, painted it a different color to offset it from the rest of the house, and it just creates a nice inviting space. Jesse's gonna show you the main living area of the house now.
So now that the house is wide open, one of my favorite things is that the kitchen leads right in to this main living space. What we were able to do is remove the old small wet bar that was tucked in the corner and honestly very unusable, and create a really nice feature wall here. We did it a little bit with two styles here, with stone and tile on the bottom, and then we did trim above where the TV goes. Of course, we put our LED fireplace in. This makes for a really nice space that feels designed and looks really elegant.
So we can't forget to give you a quick and inexpensive design hack that you could use yourself on all of your high-end properties. As you notice, we've cased in all the windows in the house with just this nice 3.5-inch casing. It's very inexpensive to do, but gives you a huge upgraded look for the property. Definitely want to keep this in mind when you're flipping your houses. Now, let's go to the primary bedroom.
So walking into the primary bedroom, now this house isn't that large. At 2,500 square feet and some change, the primary bedroom still ended up feeling pretty nice, pretty custom, and large enough to feel like you're getting the primary suite in this house. We did do a custom trim wall here in a little bit of a different accent, different pattern, just to offset it from the living room. And of course, we put in a nice pony wall LED fireplace to give the primary bedroom a nice TV wall as a focal point in front of the bed. Now, let's check out the primary bath.
So we made some pretty big modifications to the primary bathroom in this house. As you can see, we put a 24 by 48 inch nice gray stone tile on the floors, to offset from the LVT floors that we use through the rest of the house. Super custom for the primary. And then check out the shower that we built here. This is a huge shower where if you come on in, you can see that we actually put the shower trim on this big mantle where we have this shelf all the way across to put your shampoos, conditioners, and everything you need for the shower. It also has 2 rain head shower heads and 2 handheld showers as well. Really nice, custom, 10-foot tall glass. You won't beat that master shower. And then as you can see here, we use a different countertop than we use in the kitchen and through the rest of the house as well, with this really nice shiplap back wall, custom built mirrors, and these really nice vanity lights to go with it.
So now we're in the backyard. I want to point out a couple features that made us feel super confident in investing in this property. Take a look at the pool and custom water feature. This house is also situated right on the golf course and on a golf green on the course, which makes it even more desirable. That golf green actually has a nice lake behind it too, so you get a killer view right here from the backyard. Now when we renovate homes, we like to do them top to bottom, end to end, so our home is actually completely painted on the exterior as well. This is an updated color scheme that really helps make the house feel a little bit more modernized. So everyone loves to see the design of the finished products of the home, especially the before and afters, but I know what you all want to hear, and that's the numbers.
So we bought this house for $1,035,000. We put about $150,000 into the rehab of this property, and it's currently listed, like Jesse said, at $1.695 million. And if we sell it there, what are we gonna make?
I think we're gonna make close to $350,000 to $400,000.
$350,000 to $400,000 on a 2,500 square foot house. This is an absolute home run. We think it's gonna sell quickly. It's in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in town, right here in Summerlin, Las Vegas. So we're excited about this one.
Now, designing homes is not easy, and pricing homes in the luxury price point isn't easy either. If you have any questions about how to do that or how we do that, drop a comment below and we'll get back to you.
If you had fun with the walkthrough today, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another walkthrough again.
Till then,
We'll see you on the flip side.